everybody, it's Pam at the Paper Outpost, and we are so excited that today is the day we pick the 80,000 subscribers / paper lover. We're very excited. Yeah, here's my eye, that's my nose, and that's my other eye, and Mom's gonna take it from here. She needs both hands. Okay. That was Sunshine, my little Maltese pup, who's very excited as well because we are picking to see who wins the junk journal as signed by me at the Creative Outpost. Here we go. Create with reckless abandon. Okay. And then we have the fundle that goes with it, which is all the wonderful things that you can use to fill a journal. All sorts of old ledger and pages and really cool stuff. And so let's go ahead and pick. All right, we've been waiting a long time. I've gone ahead and I've put in the link. If you've never seen the YouTube comment picker, this is it. It's a random thing. And I can filter out duplicate comments. So I'm going to click that little button there. And now we're going to scroll down and we're going to pick the winner. All right, ready? Hold your breath. Here we go. Whee! And, whoop, did I not hit it? Go. Go. What's going on? Not working. Huh. Yeah. Don't know why. Oh, I didn't get the YouTube. All right, dope-de-dope. I didn't get the YouTube comments. Okay, let's see how many comments were generated on this video. And if you can see in the bottom right there, it's pulling all the comments from the video. And the video was about a month ago, so we might have a few comments. Let's see how many we get to. Well, that was a little hair-raising moment there, wasn't it? I was like, oh my gosh, it's not working. It's not working. Why? Why? But all is well. We're very excited. It's just creating intrigue and suspense. That's all. Okay, we have 2,161 video responses, comments, and now we're going to kick the button. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Look at it. Look at it. See your name? See your name? See your name? See Jan Lewis. I would love to, oh, she answered the question. I would love to see more options for journal covers. I struggle with getting covers made. Thank you, Jan. Congratulations to Jan Lewis. You are the winner of the 80,000 subscriber giveaway contest from the Paper Outpost. Yay, Jan. Yay, Jan. Way to go. Okay. I will contact you, Jan, and I'll see if I can connect with you so I can send this off to you. Congratulations, and a big thanks to everybody who participated in the contest for posting your comments. I'm reading them all because they're a treasure trove of ideas for me to see what you guys are interested in. So I want you to know that I'm taking it all to heart, and I'm reading everybody's, and I'm logging all the ideas, and you're going to see a lot of cool stuff coming your way. So just hang in tight. And if you didn't win this ephemera bundle, just know that you can go ahead in my Etsy shop if you choose to and purchase one. I do have some available right now. You can also, my August DigiKits just launched yesterday, so you're going to see some new vintage DigiKits for printable downloads if you're interested. I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. If you haven't signed up for that yet, make sure you do. You'll get a free digital image emailed to you monthly, along with a checklist of supplies, a note from the bookmaker, updates from the Paper Outpost, and a junk journal tip, yay! And I have a Facebook group. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there doing weekly and monthly challenges and seeing cool things that you guys make from these videos. Do you love my little waving fingers here? I'm trying to give you something to look at. Let's look at Jan, the winner. I have an Amazon shop. If you have, if you're looking for any tools or supplies that you see me use, I try and post everything in there. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. All my links are down below in the drop-down box. And if you find value here, please like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos that come out. And remember that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon. And we are celebrating today. It's a celebration Sunday because Jan Lewis, congratulations. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for everybody who participated. Welcome to all the new people. Thank you for everybody here who's been a while. And more ideas are coming your way. So hang on tight. Let's have some fun. Take care. Bye-bye.